In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Windows key is not working in Windows 11. Now, the first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in settings. Once here, navigate to the left and hit accessibility, and then scroll all the way down till you see keyboard. Now ensure that sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys are all turned off. Once that is done, we can close the settings window. Next, head on down to the search bar again and type in Device Manager. With this open, locate the keyboard section and expand it. And then what you need to do is right-click and update driver for any keyboard devices that you see here. Don't worry if you have more or less keyboard devices. It all depends on how many different keyboards you've plugged into your computer over the years. Now, if none of those have fixed the issue so far, there are a few more which should 100% fix the issue. The first one is to locate the FN button. And what you want to do is press FN plus the Windows key. Now, for me, FN is to the right of my spacebar, but I have a compact keyboard. Most of the time, the FN button will be in the bottom left of your keyboard. If you have a Razer keyboard, press FN plus F10 and see if that's fixed the issue. If you have a HyperX keyboard, you want to look in the top right and there will be a G inside a square. Pressing that should enable your Windows key as well. Similar, if you have a Corsair keyboard, there will be a lock symbol in the top right of your keyboard. So if you have one of those, press that. And finally, if none of those have fixed your issue, it sounds silly to say, but pulling the cable out of your keyboard and putting it back in can often fix issues or reset the keyboard itself. Hopefully one of these has fixed your issue. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.